Hi everyone, welcome to the last video announcement you'll ever have to listen to, at least from this program. We are now about to start the last week of our semester. It is hard to believe that it's gone so fast. I hope you did have a few days to rest and relax over Thanksgiving break, but now, as you know, the final push is on. Module 7 Part 2 is what we've been working on this week, and that has included your peer review of your project or your paper. So depending on which group you signed up previously in, please submit your project pieces, including your justification paper or your research paper if you're in a research paper group, to the appropriate small group so that you can have some peer-reviewed feedback on those assignments before they are due in the upcoming module. As well, the course evaluations instructions are in there. I think those are open for a few more days, but just remember the main difference is that the MDS evaluation that's sent out from the MDS email site is something that you'll take, and I will get a list of those names, so you don't have to do anything more other than take that for credit on that assignment. The BS Boise State course evaluations, you will need to take a screenshot of the completed page once you've submitted it to show that you have taken that evaluation, and that one will be for some extra credit. So further instructions are in this Module 7 Part 2. Opening tomorrow, Module 7 Part 3, the last section of this course. Of course, a lot of the assignments will come due. So you have several pieces to those. First of all, your final capstone assignment is due, whether that's a paper or a project, as a Blackboard assignment. So please submit all parts of your project. If you have pictures or things you've created for that, submit those, your justification paper, anything that can show what you did for your project, and then the justification paper that explains the process you went through. Besides submitting your capstone assignment to Blackboard, you also need to submit your capstone assignment to Outcomes 1 page in your Digication ePortfolio. So remember, you've held a place for that up till now, so please submit that into Digication in your own ePortfolio. And then the final step will be to submit that page that you've now completed on Outcome 1 into the Digication assignment. Instructions again are in our course module on how to do that. If you've already submitted an earlier page that does not have your completed capstone assignment in it, there are also instructions on how to resubmit assignments in Digication. So please follow those closely. If you have questions, let me know. The other assignment that's due, of course, is your final presentation, and there are descriptions on what that should look like in the module that opens tomorrow, as well as some back in Module 6. If you didn't see those, you can finish that presentation this week and submit it by the end of the module. Once again, once you've finished your final presentation, that should be uploaded to a hosting source like YouTube or Screencast-O-Matic. The file will be too large to upload into your Digication portfolio, and probably too large to upload into Blackboard as well. So the easier way to handle that is to use a service like YouTube that's connected with your Boise State email account. There are instructions on how to upload videos to YouTube through Googling that. So please, it's a fairly easy process, but if you don't know how to do that, look online, or you can talk to me about that. Then once your presentation is available as a URL link, you can use that to upload into your Digication portfolio as well as the Blackboard assignment for your presentation. And then once again, upload the completed outcomes page from Digication into the Digication assignment. So there's several steps involved in each of those last assignments that are due. Another very important assignment that is necessary to complete, it's not worth points for the course, but it is a pass-fail requirement for the course to do so, is to confirm that you have met the 15 hours of service learning for your service learning work this semester. There are two ways to do that, just as we did earlier in Module 2. you can either just write a note that the hours are logged and kept track of in OrgSync, if that's how your nonprofit organization kept track of your hours. Alternately, if you are using the student hours log sheet, which is a manual way to record your hours, then you need to have that completely filled out with initials from your supervisor of the hours you worked and a signature from your supervisor that the 15 hours has been completed. Then scan and upload that to the assignment in Module 7, Part 3. Finally, there is a discussion board, but it's just mainly saying goodbye and good luck to other students, so take a few minutes and fill that out as well. I have enjoyed working with you over the course of this semester, and I'm very excited to see your final projects and papers. I do know that several of you have already been accepted into the Service Learning Exhibition, so congratulations on that, and we may be hearing of a few more of those in the next coming days as well. If you are unable to participate in the Service Learning Exhibition and you had submitted a poster for that, you'll be receiving an email. When you get that email, please contact the Service Learning Department very quickly so that they know that you will not be attending and they can decide whether to print your poster for that or not. Sometimes they go ahead and print those posters even if there's no one to present them. Other times they may leave your poster out for someone else who will be there. So in any case, anyone who submitted posters for the extra credit will receive full extra credit for the course. But I'm proud of you guys for the ones that the Service Learning Department has selected to be presented in the exhibition. So everyone, of course, is invited to that exhibition. I think it's December 7th from 4 to 6 p.m. in the Student Union building. There are more details about that in our course discussions section of the course. So once again, thank you for all your hard work. I congratulate you on your upcoming graduation and all the work that you've put in to get to this point. You made it, and best of luck in the future. Please keep in touch with the MDS program and let us know how you're doing. The things that have opened up because of your MDS degree, we're always excited to hear about that. So if you have any questions about any of the information I've discussed in this video, please contact me. And if I don't hear from you, I will definitely see you online. Thank you.